That strut bar makes a better hood prop than the hood prop does. What's up, dudes? Welcome back. No luck on getting parts, no pulley, no nothing today. So the best thing I can do probably is pull that belt and then try to find another one that fits better. But to get that belt off, I gotta get the rest of the belt off. The other belt, the big one that runs the water pump and all the other accessories. To do that, I'm gonna have to pull off the intercooler piping. Probably take out the intercooler. Yeah, do what you gotta do, right? Let's get in it. Upon prior inspection, I might not have to. Looks like I might be able to loosen the adjuster on the tensioner pulley and slide that puppy right off. So I'm gonna try that first. Keep your fingers crossed. Now, I know you can't see it, but right there, so hopefully I'll just loosen the sucker. Slide this belt off, and now we can pull out the alternator belt. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see that, but like I said before, on the tensioner pulley there's a bolt that adjusts it, so just loosen that right off. You can slide the belt out, no issues. Okay, so that went way easier than I thought it would. Now, the plan for today, since I need to go get a belt, Jesse and I are taking off. We're going out for supper. I'm gonna stop and grab the belt on the way. There's also a little car meet going on with those classic cars in Chattagate, the A&W, old school stuff. We're gonna go check that out. So the rest of this video will be filmed, I'm assuming tomorrow, possibly tonight. Peace. See you soon. I'll be right back. It'll be like no time at all for you guys, all right? It's the next day. I just got back from work, parts store. Nobody has anything in stock. So looks like we're gonna have to wait another night. We're a whole day closer to race day. I had to order a belt today because nobody had anything in stock. That's the way it goes. Today is Wednesday for me. I don't know when you guys are seeing this, but probably Friday, the day I'm supposed to go out there and whoop that Malibu. So today's Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday, all the parts should come in. If it's not in on Thursday, tomorrow, that's gonna bring it right down to the wire. I get to the parts store, get back here, put the car together, load it on the trailer, because I'm gonna go drift after I whoop that Malibu. Might need a game plan. Since I can't do anything on this tonight, I'll tell you what's in my game plan, the overall overview of it. Basically gonna break it down and keep it simple. Since I totally plan to keep going with these vlogs, and summer is coming to an end real quick, quicker than we wanted to. There's not many shows left. I gotta find something to do during the winter. So I'll give you a little rundown, the list real quick, what's gonna happen. Number one on my list, my drift car. So this is a 240SX that I bought off my buddy Tyler that works down at Kiwi Performance. He was drifting this car, put a lot of work into it. He knows what he's doing. I totally trust what he's done. Basically, I gotta get this thing up and rolling again as soon as I can because it's going back to Kiwi Performance so Jay and Tyler can work on it. So what I'm gonna try to do is get the stock suspension on it that I took off the white car, and I have a 6-liter of Muncie 4-speed. Put that in the car. Jay's gonna put on the wide angle steering kit. So that way, for next year, I'll have a drift car. Beat the absolute piss out of it. Throw some stickers on it this winter, make it look cool. Then the next thing I gotta get working on, Brent and Jean-Marc, if you're watching this. Yeah, second on that list is definitely gonna be the Acadian because I've had this car apart for way too long. So I'm gonna start collecting all the parts that I'm gonna use for that car, and hopefully we'll make something pretty rad. So for next summer, the plan, the big plan, this will be my tuner street car. Hanging out with the boys, going to shows, the Wolf Pack, the Mod Squad, go hang out with Jamie and his boys. This will be ready, a car that I can bring to the drift track, beat on endlessly. I bought this car to break it. That's the idea. That'll handle well and I could just ain't care. Tuner, drifter, the muscle car. Old school 350 carbureted engine, that smell, that rumble, the sound. At the end of the day, it's an awesome car and I'm gonna make sure it's an awesome car. Those three on the road for next summer, that's the goal, that's the plan. If you're watching this on Friday, hopefully that race is going down tonight and you'll definitely see what happens. That's for sure gonna be its own video. So, in hopes that something works out for next time, thank you for following along. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Peace out and stay happy.